Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back and I've got another Avon Korean beauty product to share. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so over the top excited about the Elastine PropoliThera shampoo line. Seriously. And it's funny because it took a little while for me to get on board with this one. So Avon has started doing a lot of the Korean beauty products. This is a shampoo from Elastine, which is Korean beauty, and there's a whole line of stuff, and there's a whole bunch more stuff coming in campaign 22. So get ready, lots of cool stuff. So they've got the hair serum, they've got the mask. This is actually the volumizing shampoo. And it comes in this awesome bottle. I love the packaging, by the way. They couldn't have done a better job on this packaging. It comes in a box. You get this cool pump with it. And let me read exactly what is in this stuff. So it says, let me get my screen here. Catch the buzz, made with beeswax, honey, and royal jelly. Our rejuvenating shampoo provides weightless volume and hydration while giving your tresses a fuller, thicker, and stronger appearance. It's paraben-free, sulfite-free. It has propolis, which is tree sap plus beeswax, which contains minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants to help restore weak and brittle hair. Honey, made from the bees by bees from the nectar of flowers, helps restore moisture. And royal jelly, which is the food of bees, helps lock in shine and restores hair's natural luster. Now, I've probably been using these products now for a good month and a half. And it's funny, usually when my hair gets about this long, I want to cut it because it's dried out, it's frizzy, and I've just had it with long hair. This is literally the first time since high school I've been able to let my hair grow out this long. And I feel like my hair is in amazing condition, like more so than it's ever been. I'm 50 years old. It feels like it's thick. It feels hydrated. And it's funny because, like I said, it took me a little while to get on board with this. So the thing that was a little bit for me when I first got this was the scent. So you know me, I am not a floral girl. I'm not crazy about roses. I am not crazy about like jasmine, gardenia. So when I first smelled this, I ordered it. I'm like, I love the bottle. I was so excited. I get it home and I'm like, oh my gosh. It has got one of the strongest florally scents I have ever smelled. And you know what? I'm like, I'm going to power through because I really liked what I read about it. Oddly enough, I started to get used to the smell. Now, it's kind of funny how sometimes your brain just flips because now I like the smell. I'm so used to it. I like almost crave the scent in the shower, which is really strange. It's an odd psychological thing. So if you get this and you're kind of like, oh my gosh, this is a really strong floral, give it a little while. You can see it's a little bit thin, the shampoo. When I first started using the shampoo, you can see here, it's a little bit of a thinner formula. I was like, wow, this is kind of thin. It works. It absolutely works on my hair. It lathers really well. It rinses clean. I do not get any weird residue. One thing that I don't like in a shampoo and conditioner is when I get residue and buildup. I hate that because then my hair gets weighed down and it gets like almost like sticky and gross because I have really thick hair. And the worst thing for me is when I get like a weighed down, heavy, sticky feeling. But like I said, I've been using this now for about a month and a half. And I really do feel like my hair is thicker, stronger, and more shiny. And I use the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, and the serum. And I literally cannot wait. I'm so excited. The new products that we are getting, let me just pull up my screen here. I was so excited. I was like, oh, we're getting more Elastine. That was the one thing that made my day last week. I was like, yay! We are getting a curl cream, a dual serum essence. I don't even know what that is. a leave-in conditioner, and a volume spray. I also wanted to mention these are $15, and it's worth every penny to me. I mean, they last quite a while, and I mean, I've spent a lot of money on a lot of shampoo in my life. I've done Paul Mitchell, I've done every high-end shampoo brand that's ever existed, and this is definitely my favorite. So I just want to talk a little bit more about this. I will put the links below if you're interested in trying this out. I am an online Avon rep, so if you're interested in signing up, products, everything is down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome Monday. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.